Friendly Jean. Friendly Jean, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you my pretty girl? Are ya? Are you my pretty girl? Huh? Are you? You my pretty girl? Here. Want your keys? You want your keys? You gonna drive away? There's keys to your car. No? You don't like that car? Was that a Ford? You don't want a Ford? Okay. T-ring? How about that? Oh, that's much better. Okay. Oh. Yeah. All right. Say bye.